Hi, I really hope you guys can hear me on a bit of a solo lunch date. The restaurant is packed full of people and I'm too shy to pull out my camera to vlog, so you're on the phone right now. Having a quick lunch on my own, then I have a doctor's appointment. And then afterwards, I'm gonna go meet up with my friend. We're going back to Numi and Ashe for yet another fun crafting day. This is so much fun. I've realized what I need in my life is more crafting dates, more like ways to express creativity. And if I get to do this with the people that I love, my family and my friends, then that's like such a huge added bonus on my part. So later we're gonna try out pottery this time instead of rug tufting. And yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun.
While I'm gazing through my window tonight, I'm remembering the things I have done in my life. Oh, making one or two turns that weren't really what I planned. Sometimes the choices I made have been hard to understand. Better get ready.
So we're back here.
Better get ready. I'm ready. Ready to do all that I gotta do to aim high. So I look at my reflection instead. Oh, I see all them dreams running round in my head. I've sold my soul enough to dreams of someone else. Do you believe when I tell you the dream has become who I am? Better get ready. I'm ready. Better get ready. I'm ready.
Ta-da! It looks like a little octopus.
Gotta do to aim high. I'm ready. Better get ready. I'm ready. Ready to do all that I gotta do to aim high. Voices in my head tell me you ain't got it. Oh no, but somewhere deep inside I'm screaming, baby, do it. I waited too long to be strong, and now I'm enough to be who I am until I'm high. I'm gonna aim high. Better get ready. I'm ready. Better get ready. I'm ready. Ready to do all that I gotta do to aim high. Better get ready. Better get ready. I'm ready. Ready to do all that I gotta do to aim high. Ready, yeah.
Why is yours like a bowl na? I'm like, mine is still a cup. What did I do?
So I can feel that this part here in the middle
Yeah.
is getting too thin. You don't want to continue adding more pressure there because it's going to
Okay.
collapse. Because this part here has a lot
It's
of
so
weight.
thick
It's
on top.
very heavy,
Yeah.
so it cannot like carry the weight on the top. So what we're going to do is we're just going to
Can I push it back down?
We can push it back down. We're going to add pressure on the top na lang, slowly.
Okay, okay.
And then like
To even
until,
it
yeah,
out.
until it's
Sige.
even.
Calm down, Pot.
Okay na
We can
siya.
do this.
So it's become a bowl already.
It's okay.
You're
Actually, it's gonna
done.
be my jewelry bowl.
Nice.
So if you're happy with that, we can wire it off and then
Wow, see, you have a piece. It looks like a matcha. I don't know what I've made, Char. What's happening? What's happening? Oops. You know what? It's abstract. I love it.
Yes.
I've done it on purpose, guys. This is what I wanted all along. I love you, my little pot. Pwede na.
Sa Beauty and the Beast, the
Oy.
sun.
Wow.
The sun, si Chip.
that's perfect.
Okay.
Okay, so here we have the colors that we have available. The name is at the bottom. So this is just the transparent one.
I love this.
Yeah.
I like this.
Okay, so if you're able to choose a color now, you can.
Hey guys, it is a little bit of a busy day for me today. It is my nephew's birthday, but it is also the day of my niece's big ballet recital. So we're gonna head on over to lunch to celebrate his birthday. And then we're gonna quickly rush over to the theater to watch the ballet recital. I'm going to try to film as much as I can and then take you along with me.
잔인해 그대란 사랑 작은 유리병에 나를 넣고 나를 놓아주면 안 되나요? 나 그대 없으면 나 한시도 못 가서 금방 숨이 멎을 것 같아요.
Are you okay? I can feel the emotions of the dance. Okay.
내가 기꺼이 날 가둬둘게 3초 만에 상처들은 까먹고 사랑 그 안에 난 헤엄치네
Why are you both crying?
오늘은 그대 눈에
What the hell?
Relax.
This is the weirdest discovery. Nisuot na siya sa katre.
If you can do a couple of regular push-ups from the toes. Goody. Squeeze the left.
Okay, imong screen protector.
Oh, I thought my
Last one. And done. Woo. All right, last one.
Show me your new shoes.
Palms facing each other. You're rowing up to the bottom of your rib cage. Push roll.